Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy Bitcoin on eToro. So right now we are here at the home screen and I want to see the chart, and from there I want to buy Bitcoin. So what I'm going to do is I go right here to the search button and search for Bitcoin, and then I can click right here on Bitcoin. Then you will see right here the performance, but I want to see the chart, so we click here on chart, and then right now we have a TradingView supported chart where I can find everything that I want to know. Let's say we want to buy, then we select right here buy, fill in right here for how much money we want to buy Bitcoin. So let's do 1 grand right there. We can also change it to units, and then you can fill in right here for how many units you want to buy Bitcoin. So that is fine. We can add a stop loss or a take profit on it if you want to do that. But if you want to buy Bitcoin, we can simply click right here on buy. Now let's change the take profit a little bit for now. So I want to make on that price $50 profit. So then the price needs to go to where it is. No, I don't want this. Let's do something like this and then do set. And now we change right here the price. So that is fine. And then right now we can click here on buy, and now the order is filled. And if you go to our portfolio and click on Bitcoin, you see right here that we created a Bitcoin position exactly a few seconds ago. If you want to close this position, you can click right here on close trade. And this is how you can buy Bitcoin on eToro. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.